full turn. Here, step, left, right, step, backward turn, left turn. Here, step, up, upward turn, paddle here. Weave it.
I just met my ego, she's been knocking at my door.
Put her back.
Got a message,
Tap
I
two.
don't think you
Back
should
it out.
know.
Weave.
I'm gonna kill my ego, then relax.
Sit back right.
Sit back, arch my back,
And
then I'll
5
give him
and
some
6,
so he
7,
can
8, and give me a
relax.
pose. Yes. Woo. Y'all did that. Hey, Eagle. Yes. All right. Now,